All right. This is the presentation for online shopping platform built by Group 5. Group members, Abood and Vansh. So we start with a brief overview of the model that we're using. So we have three packages: object, people, and software. Software, the object includes the overarching grocery. This is the class that includes basically instances of all the other classes. We have the item class, which is basically the items being sold on the platform. We have the sales department. Because within different platforms, for example, in Amazon, we have departments like technology, clothing. So that's basically what the sales department here is going to act as. In people, we have the customers, we have the sellers, and we have a user, which is an abstract class, which is the parent class of seller and customer and has common attributes. In software, we have discount status, which is how we determine what customer gets how much discount depending upon seniority or if they are a student or not. Then we have the send email, which is used for sending emails to make the interaction more lifelike. Then we have the shopping cart. Shopping cart is where we keep track of what items and how many of each item does a customer have in his or her cart. For this purposes, we are using a hash map as evident right here. Now, getting into the working of the program. As we run the GUI, you can see that, well, it's called SlapMart. We have 4 actions: customer login, seller login, create new account, or create department. So for the base of the program, let's start with creating a new account. We create a new account. It asks, this is the prompt up window we get. Let's call the username John, password being John123, email being, let's call it my own email. Birth year is, let's say, 2000. And are you a student? Oh yes, I'm a student. Let's create this as a customer account. Now we have a customer account, which, well, we have the confirmation that we have a customer account and we can log in into it. Let's try logging into it now. And there we go, successful. And this is the window that pops up when we log in to the customer. Now we will explore this further in another part, later part of the video. Now we will create an account for a seller. Let's say using the same window, that is a create new account. Let's name the seller, my own name. We have a new password that will be, let's say that. For the email, I would use my another email. And birth here, well, let's do anything. And let's create a seller account this time. And there we go, create a seller account. There's our confirmation. And now let's try logging into it. As you can see, we are successfully logged into the seller login account. Now we have different things that we can do with the seller account, which will also be explored in the later part of the video.